Hi, welcome to the AllCasesHere. In this video we are going to talk about the top 10 best iPhone 14 Pro Max cases 2022 you can buy on Amazon. Please subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon for more videos. This list is based on my personal opinion and research and lists them based on quality, features and pricing. If you want more information and updated pricing on the products mentioned, be sure to check the links in the description below. Today, Apple released its new iPhone 14 series, as well as its watches and accessories. The case needs to be the very first thing you must think about if you plan to buy the flagship of this series, the iPhone 14 Pro Max. When you know what to search for, finding the best iPhone 14 Pro Max cases on the market is simple. Do you place the security of your iPhone's camera above all else? Then you might want to think about a case with raised corners or a lip that provides superior drop protection, and as an extra measure, don't forget to protect the screen of your smartphone as well. Even so, certain iPhone 14 Pro Max cases can come with one or more screen protectors included for no additional cost, and if you're lucky, some might even come with a camera lens cover to protect your optics. I have prepared this video guide for the best iPhone 14 Pro Max cases, so let's get started. 10. Colonotric in case waterproof. The iPhone 14 Pro Max's vibrant hues are clearly visible, thanks to the crystal clear back shell. The camera and screen frame's bulges can offer efficient protection and enable underwater capture of dynamic images and high-resolution stills. The waterproof case has a full-edge design, is constructed of TPU plus PC material, has a built-in screen protector, and is waterproof and anti-drop without compromising the sensitivity of usage. The iPhone 14 Pro Max case contains non-slip grooves on the side, and a lanyard making it convenient to carry and less likely to drop the phone. The iPhone 14 Pro Max is protected against 6.6 feet or 2 meters of water for 30 minutes with the IP68 certified waterproof case. Perfect for daily activities, aquatic exploration, and the outdoors. 9. Temdan Real 360. This water-resistant case is impervious to rain, water, and dust. Additionally, the washable functionality enables thorough washing, maintains the brand new condition of your phone and case, and guards the case's exterior against a variety of common bacteria. Protect your phone from everyday wear and tear with this flexible rubber back cover with a durable polycarbonate inner cover. In addition to being completely weatherproof and functioning flawlessly in any unfavorable situation, it also offers full body protection. Perfect for daily use, outdoor sports, and any underwater activities. For cameras, tempered glass lens covers are built in. The phone camera is sufficiently protected against severe impacts and scratches. Oil, dust, and water cannot penetrate an oleophobic layer. Maintain your phone's HD lens at all times by keeping it clean and clear. 8. Esr Classic Hybrid Magnetic Case. Bezels around the camera and screen are in need for any high-end casing. And you have this opportunity thanks to the hybrid case. Bezels that come with it prevent scratches on the screen and camera. Additionally, a strengthened bumper is included, greatly enhancing the level of protection. The design options include clear, black, or clear black. Air guard corners, which are precisely engineered to absorb shock so your phone doesn't have to, provide military-grade drop protection that has been extensively tested to assure complete protection on all sides. Where it matters most, increased scratch protection is provided by the raised screen borders and camera guard lens frame. 7. Swan Pot Leather Wallet Case. There are a few less than popular solutions available for those who can't wait for major producers like Moment, Otterbox, and Apple to release their iPhone 14 Pro Max cases. One of the choices is the wallet case. It has an inbuilt kickstand, a zip pocket, and can be purchased in a variety of stylish colors. It can contain up to 9 cards and protect them from RFID readers. 6. Toro Leather Case. The best leather iPhone cases are offered by the reputable luxury UK business Toro, which sources its supplies from the best US tanneries. These cases scream grandeur while still being reasonably priced. Whatever case type you like, Toro has a selection that includes simple leather back cases, wallet-style cases for full phone covering, and magnetically removable covers, like the one pictured above, that combine the best features of both designs for maximum protection. The case overall has a very smooth surface and feels quite comfortable in the hand, striking the perfect balance between fashion and utility. It provides acceptable levels of protection as well, with a sturdy TPU frame to help with shock absorption, an inner frame lined with microfiber, and raised outer and inner edges on the screen and camera unit to maximize protection. 5. Miracase Glass Series. Protect your iPhone 14 Pro Max with this full body case. An interlocking 3-layer structure blocks dust and dirt while absorbing and deflecting impact. The area around the camera and the screen has been raised to prevent unwanted scratches. Mirror case created a unique front and back case design. Separate the dust from the surroundings. Your hands are freed from having to locate the exact spot to apply the protection flawlessly and without worrying about air bubbles, thanks to smart automated alignment. For the iPhone 14 Pro Max, Mirror case created a sleek bumper case with a cool design and transparent back. Protect the gadget without sacrificing the original beauty. 4 Snake Hive wallet case. This cover from Snake Hive is one of the top iPhone 14 Pro Max cases and a strong candidate for leather lovers. The case itself features a smooth, suede-like feel and a genuine leather outer lip that significantly increases drop protection for cases of unintentional falls and covers the front and back screens completely. This case is made from European nubuck leather and is produced to a high standard. It also features a viewing kickstand, 3 card slots, a money slip, a full coverage flip cover, a magnetic closure, and if those features weren't enough to convince you, it also comes with Snake Hive's signature 12-month warranty and 30-day money-back guarantee. This case is perfect for anyone looking for a pleasant, expert, and cozy case that feels soft in the hand. 3. AntShare Glass Clear Bumper Case. Protect the fragile glass from nicks and scratches with the AntShare Clear designed case with built-in touch sensitivity and anti-scratch screen protector. To ensure robust protection, the backplane is manufactured from 1.5mm reinforced PC and soft shockproof TPU bumpers around the edge. Your iPhone 14 Pro Max is protected from drops from all directions by the double-layer tempered glass clear bumper cover. A processed TPU frame offers a secure, non-slip grip ideal for selfies, texting, and gaming. You may use several features without taking off the phone case thanks to support for wireless charging and diverse port usage. Precise port plugs make access simple, and port coverings keep out dust and dirt. 2 Caseborne V. We contact the military when things get critical. Because of this, you should seek for a military-grade protection case if you want your iPhone 14 Pro Max to receive the most protection possible. This protection is provided by the Caseborne V model's multi-layered construction. It's impressive that this case can protect your iPhone 14 Pro Max against drops of up to 21 feet. Additionally, it has a built-in kickstand and various stylish color options. Bright green is our personal favorite. 1 Korky Fusion, transparent wallet. There are times when you need more storage, and what better method to get it than to smuggle your valuable cards and cash next to your valuable smartphone. With this Korky Fusion iPhone 14 Pro Max clear case, you won't need to remove the cover to store your valuables because there is an accessible built-in card holder. A buddy of mine keeps his cards and IDs under his phone inside the case. This case not only serves as your card storage but also provides your iPhone 14 Pro Max with lightweight and fashionable protection, anti-slip material, higher bezels, and access to all the required ports. Again, it's fairly inexpensive. So guys, this was the video about the best iPhone 14 Pro Max cases 2022. All the links are given in the description, do check them out. If you enjoyed the video, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more videos. Thank you.